Hello. Good morning, one and all. So today, let us do this vocabulary part in Unit 3. Up to yesterday, we discussed poem, stanzas written in dejection near Naples. So today, let us deal with the vocabulary part. Small part, we will do it in 20 minutes or so. So under vocabulary, take the photograph of this one, or else you can also take the snaps and take down the spelling. Vocabulary, under vocabulary, portmanteau words. P-O-R-T, port, M-A-N, man, T-O, T-E-A-U, words. Portmanteau words. So today we are going to learn these portmanteau words. Okay, what are portmanteau words? Under vocabulary, we have seen so far many different things in the last time before last chapters, that is in second semester unit 1 and unit 2, we have seen figures of speech under vocabulary like simile, metaphor, hyperbole and oxymoron. In this unit, we are going to check portmanteau words. Okay, let us see these. What are portmanteau words? Okay, so portmanteau words, what are these portmanteau words? We'll now check. Yeah. Portmanteau words. So yeah. Right, portmanteau words. What are portmanteau words? Let us think. A portmanteau is a new word. Okay, like a synonym, a word equal, words equal meaning giving other words are known as synonyms. The opposite meaning giving words, we call them as antonyms or opposite words. Synonyms are those words which give equal meaning of the word in the same language. Antonyms are those words which give opposite meaning of the existing word. So here a portmanteau is a new word formed by formed by joining two or multiple. See this, a portmanteau. A portmanteau is a new word formed by joining two or multiple words, either two or multiple words, and combining their meanings also. Combining their meanings. A portmanteau, usually define portmanteau word and give one or two examples. This question usually comes in the exam, so directly you will be having 2 marks for it. So a portmanteau is a new word formed by joining two or, in bracket, multiple words and combining their meanings. It combines both the sounds of the original words and meanings of its components. It combines both the sounds of the original words and meanings of its components. This is what a portmanteau word. A portmanteau is a new word formed by joining two or multiple words and combining their meanings. It combines both the sounds of the original words and meanings of its components. Then the original meaning of portmanteau means suitcase. Suitcase, you know which we carry when we travel, when we go to new places, when we are in traveling, when we are in journey, we usually carry suitcase. When we go for different works, we have this suitcase. This is suitcase. Portmanteau means suitcase in French, implying that two words are packed inside. Suitcase means in French, implying, it gives the meaning, it gives the sense that two words are packed inside. Two words are packed inside. So it is portmanteau. Actually, meaning of it is combining or joining two or more words with their meanings also. So originally French word suitcase combining two words, right? So you need to remember this one. Then in our textbook, they have given number of portmanteau words. Portmanteau words. See, for example, this is a portmanteau word. Okay, these are the portmanteau words, and these have become portmanteau words because of the combination of this side words. So here advertisement plus editorial. Advertisement we usually give it either in newspapers or in the short screen media, that is television. You see a lot of advertisement these days. Advertisement is very, very important for all the selling purposes. New products are being advertised a lot in the media for improvising their sales. So advertisement plus editorial. Usually editorial is the article where in newspapers you find editorials. Editorial. So advertisement plus editorial, it becomes advertorial. Advertorial. So advertorial is a combination of advertisement plus editorial. So it is the combination of both these words. It is been, see, advertorial has come from advertisement plus editorial. They have taken advert up to here, then torial from here. They have combined both the words and it is advertorial. It's a new word. This new word is known as portmanteau word. Advertorial is a portmanteau word. When compared to these two, it is different. Advertorial is a portmanteau word. Advertorial is a portmanteau word. Next, you see biopic. Biopic is a portmanteau word. Biopic is a portmanteau word. It is the combination of biography plus picture. Biography plus picture. Then it becomes the biopic. Biography is the life story of a person written by somebody else. Okay, biography is the life story of a person written by somebody else. Picture, it's a photo or person's portrait picture. So these two, biography and picture, becomes biopic. These days we are listening to or hearing many biopics. The story about a person's life is being taken into movie. It is been becoming movies. So on the life story of a great personality is becoming biopic. It's a combination. Biopic is a portmanteau word. It is combination of biography plus picture. Bio they have taken from biography and pic they have taken from the picture. See, bio up to here, then pic up to here, and they have combined these two, they have joined these two, a new word has come up as biopic. This, the combination of these two parts from two different words and joining into one word, portmanteau word, that is. So biopic is the portmanteau word of biography plus picture. Biography plus picture. It has become biopic. Okay, so portmanteau word. Example you can write as advertorial, biopic, blog, or edutainment. All these are examples for portmanteau words. Then the third one you see, blog. Usually these days we are happen to hear many blogs. People are writing their own individual thoughts in the blogs. Blog is a uh, written words of an individual with regarding anything which he wants to share, which he wants to he's writing in his own way. Blogs are written by individuals to impart some message or to share something which they have experienced or which they want to explain to others. So web plus log has blog. Web plus log has become as blog. Blog is a portmanteau word. Then you think of this one, edutainment. Edutainment is education plus entertainment equal to edutainment. See, education, 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 and entertainment, entertainment. These two words are being combined into, joined into edutainment. Edu they have taken from here, and then tainment they have taken from entertainment. So now it has become edutainment. Edu from here, tainment. Edutainment is the portmanteau word, which is the combination of education plus entertainment. Education plus entertainment has become edutainment. So with education, you are also imparting, you are also giving entertainment. That education will interest all of us. Edutainment is the combination of education. At the same time, you are also giving entertainment. So in these days, you are finding a lot of program where you will be improvising your knowledge along with some part of entertainment. Otherwise, if it is dull and prosaic, you are not going to stay there for longer time. So for that, the improvised things are edutainments, where you will be improving your knowledge along with the entertainment. Now you see another word, emoticon. Emotions. We all human beings have emotions. We carry emotions. We always, sometimes we become emotional. So emotions plus icon. Emotion plus icon is emoticon. Again, emote and icon. Emote up to here they have taken from this word, and icon is this one. So emoticon. Okay. Emotion plus icon has become emoticon. Next one is internet. See, internet we all use these days, but what is the meaning of it? From where it has come? International network. You know the meaning of network. We talk these days of mobile networks. Okay.
Signal.
International network. Yeah, signal. Internationally network has become internet. So internet is available across the world in all the countries. You know it. Every nook and corner of the planet Earth these days we are able to see internet. So internet is international plus network equal to internet. So from the first word inter, and in the network they have taken net. Internet has come. Internet is a portmanteau word. You remember that. You have to remember this one. Definitely internet is a international plus network. Then malware. Malware is malicious plus software has become malware. Malicious is negative kind of thing, negatively thinking or talking something, talking something which is not advisable. So malware is the combination of malicious plus software. Software, hardware, we happen to hear these words. So malicious software. Okay, malware, not good. I mean positive word. It gives negative meaning. Now these days we are seeing multiplexes. So multiplex, multiple plus complex, multiple plus complex equal to multiple plus complex. Here it is x actually. It is x. Instead of x, it has it is written as s, but it is x. Multiplex, multi and plex. Here you need to write x. So complex. Complex, multiple means many. Complex means we see buildings, constructed areas are known as complexes. So huge multiplexes. In one multiplex theater, you are able to see 4, 5, 6, 7 screens at a time. Many movies parallelly, simultaneously run in multiplex theaters these days. So multiplex, where you are able to do many other things also. Shopping complex will be there, and other theater screenings are available. In the multiplex theaters, you are finding many entertainment at the same time, food items, all other shopping complexes, along with the entertainment movie screens also available in the multiplexes. So multiple buildings in an area, in a constructed area, totally huge building with lots of shops, including film theaters, film screens, all these things you find in the multiplexes. So multiplex is a portmanteau word. It is a combination of multiple plus complex equal to multiplex. So you need to remember that. Then see this one, motel. Motel is a combination of two words. Motel is a combination of two words. It has come from motor plus hotel. Motel plus hotel. It has come from both the words, motor plus hotel. Hotel you know, and motor. From the first word motor, they have taken MO. From the second word hotel, they have taken TEL. So it has become motel. It's a combination of motor plus hotel. It equal to motel. So motel is a portmanteau word. Okay. Motel is a portmanteau word. It is a combination of motor plus hotel. Then pixel. Picture plus element. Picture plus element has become pixel. How many pixels? We talk of these days pixels. So picture plus element is giving you the pixel portmanteau word. Now romantic plus comedy. Rom-com. Rom-com is the romantic comedy. ROM, rom is taken from the first word, comedy, COM, com is taken. Rom-com is romantic comedy. So in films, in pictures, we observe, we come back, we come out from the theater, scientists say it is a rom-com. It is a combination of romantic plus comedy. It becomes the rom-com. Then smog. Smog is a smoke plus fog. Smoke plus fog equal to smog. Smoke plus fog equal to smog. With lot of smoke, you are unable to see the opposite thing which is very nearby you also, with the effect of the smogs. Early in the mornings in the winter seasons, you see a lot of smog. It's a combination of smoke plus fog. Okay, so let us see few more examples. Bollywood. Bollywood has come from Bombay plus Hollywood. The Indian film industry is known as Bollywood. Bollywood, usually we talk of Tollywood, Collywood, Kerala. Tollywood is Telugu industry and Bollywood is national. Bombay plus Hollywood has become the Indian film industry Bollywood. Bombay plus Hollywood is a combination of Bombay plus Hollywood. When you say Tollywood also, Tolly plus Hollywood has become Tollywood. The Telugu film industry is known as Tollywood. Collywood is there. Then Bollywood, you know, Bombay plus Hollywood has become the Indian film industry as Bollywood. Then see this word, Britain plus exit. In 2016, it's a referendum for Britain to leave the European Union. Brexit is a portmanteau word. Bollywood is a portmanteau word. Brexit is also portmanteau word. Here, Britain plus exit. Exit is leaving. Entry, exit we talk of. So Brexit is a combination of Britain plus exit. The 2016 referendum for Britain to leave the European Union. Anybody who wants to leave the European Union, they can say Brexit. Okay, so we have to think in an innovative way. We have to think of other new words of portmanteau. Obamacare, you see this one. Barack Obama plus healthcare, Obamacare. It's a portmanteau word. Barack Obama, who ruled the United States of America before Donald Trump. So, Obamacare, the new portmanteau word has come. It is the combination of Barack Obama and healthcare. So, popular term for the Affordable Healthcare Act passed during the Obama presidency. In the United States of America, Obama ruled for 8 years as the president of 44th president of United States of America. There, the new word portmanteau word has come, Obamacare like, right? Then stagflation, stagnation plus inflation equal to a continuous period of high inflation and unemployment is known as stagflation. These are the new words which are very, very useful for you people for the competitive scenario, competitive situation. So you must be very, very careful about the new developments, new learnings, particularly with regarding portmanteau words. Ampersand, and per se plus and plus per se plus and. This is the symbol that means and. This symbol and per se plus and. This is a symbol for it. It means ampersand. It means and. Okay, dumbfounded. Dumb plus confounded. Dumb plus confounded, dumbfounded, the new portmanteau word. Surprised into silence. Surprised into silence. He's been thrown into silence. Electrocute. Electrocute means electricity plus execute. To kill with electricity is known as electrocute. Electrocuting is nothing but killing a person by electricity or with electricity. To kill with electricity is known as electrocute. So all these portmanteau words which are very useful in our progress. So fortnight, 14 plus night equal to a period of 14 nights or 2 weeks is known as fortnight. Then gerrymander. Elbridge Gary plus salamander. Redistricting restricting an area to include favorable voters for a politician or party named for Governor Elbridge Gerry, who started the practice in 1812, and the salamander shaped district he created in Massachusetts. So okay, fortnight is a 14 plus night, period of 14 nights or 2 weeks. Okay, so on so forth. Many new words are coming. You can observe this one. Cosplay, costume plus role play equal to cosplay. Role play plus costume. Biopic, biography plus picture. Sitcom, situation plus comedy has become sitcom. Situation plus comedy. Newscast, news plus broadcast has become newscast. Rom-com, romance plus comedy. Romantic plus comedy, rom-com. List articles has become listicles. These are the new portmanteau words. One must be very careful about these things. Portmanteau. This is the pronunciation exactly. Manage. Menergy. Men plus energy equal to menergy. Brony. Bro plus pony equal to brony. So all these new words, you can take the snap of it one, and you think and you try to gain new words by searching Google or in Google or wherever you try to think, and you will get new words wherever you wish. See, we usually these days use the word brunch. It's a combination of breakfast plus lunch. In between these two periods, we sometimes due to any reason we may not be in a position to have our breakfast in the morning. Then we will not wait till our lunch. So in between we would like to have something that is known as brunch at 11, around 11 o'clock, like that. So it is in between the time of breakfast 8 and 1 p.m. So it is known as brunch. Lunch, breakfast plus lunch equal to brunch. So breakfast plus lunch equal to brunch. So like that you can see any number of words. You can find new portmanteau words. If you wish, you can think over these words, and you can gain as many new words as possible when you wish to improvise your things. You can go on doing new things, improvising your standards, right? We will try and stop here. We continue our class tomorrow. Okay, so we'll stop here. Portmanteau words. Today we have learned the new vocabulary word, portmanteau words. It's a combination of, once again, it's a combination of two words or more than two words joining two or multiple words are by combining their meaning is known as portmanteau words. A portmanteau is a new word formed by joining two or multiple words and combining their meanings. A portmanteau word fuses both the sounds of the original words and the meanings of its components. That's what we have seen so far. Is it okay? We will